Sip and serve with Russels.
Today, we're making a delicious homemade chicken submarine. First, let's look at the ingredients for the dough. Sugar, yeast, butter, flour, egg yolk, and a little salt. Take a bowl, add the flour, then add some butter, 1 spoon of yeast, a small amount of salt, and 2 spoons of sugar. Start mixing everything together and slowly add water as needed until it comes together into a soft dough. Knead it gently until smooth. Then keep the dough aside and prepare it for baking. So we get a nice soft submarine bun. While the buns are baking, let's move on to the chicken filling. For this, we need chicken, oyster sauce, garlic paste, salt, pepper, some butter, and a few fresh vegetables for the salad. Heat a pan and add a little butter. Let it melt. Then add 1 spoon of garlic paste and stir it well until fragrant. Next, add the chicken. Season with salt and pepper. Add some oyster sauce. And mix everything well. Let the chicken cook for a few minutes until it's nicely cooked and coated with all the flavors. Then remove it from the pan and keep it aside. Now let's quickly prepare the salad by taking a bowl, adding the vegetables, seasoning with salt and pepper, adding a small pinch of mayonnaise and mixing everything well. Finally, it's time to assemble the chicken submarine. Slice the bun into 2 and apply butter on both sides. Then spread the salad leaves on the bun. Add the veggie salad, followed by the cooked chicken. And top it off with fresh cucumber and tomato slices. Close the bun with the other half, and there you have it. A perfectly made homemade chicken submarine ready to serve.